Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, July 1st, 2025, we're analyzing Amazon, AMZN, stock, combining news and chart data to form a comprehensive outlook. Recent news indicates mixed sentiment. On one hand, analysts maintain a strong buy rating with some projecting price targets as high as $305, suggesting significant upside potential. This optimism is fueled by the robust growth of Amazon Web Services, AWS, particularly its AI-driven components. Additionally, improvements in e-commerce operations and the upcoming Prime Day event are seen as positive catalysts. However, concerns remain about rising prices due to tariffs on Chinese goods and increasing competition in the e-commerce space. Now, let's turn to the charts and see what the technicals are telling us. We'll start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see the recent price action for Amazon. Let's zoom in on a particular range to analyze it better. Examining the daily time frame, we notice a period of volatility followed by a recent consolidation. The price is currently near $219.39. We'll need to identify potential support and resistance levels that are relevant. For a shorter-term perspective, let's switch to the one-hour chart. Looking at the one-hour chart, we can see more granular price movements. Here, we can identify intraday support and resistance levels, which can be helpful for short-term trading decisions. Zooming in on the one-hour chart, we see a series of smaller candles reflecting the intraday volatility. Traders might look for breakouts above resistance or bounces off support to execute short-term trades. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart for even finer details. This time frame is useful for very short-term traders looking to capitalize on rapid price fluctuations. On the 15-minute chart, we observe more immediate price action. This level of detail helps identify potential entry and exit points for scalping or quick day trades. In summary, key price levels to watch include potential resistance around $220 and support near $212, as suggested by recent price action. Based on the news and chart data, I'd say there is a 60% chance we see a rally towards $230 if positive earnings reports and Prime Day sales figures emerge. Conversely, there's a 40% chance we could see a dip towards $200 if macroeconomic concerns or increased competition weigh on the stock. Keep an eye on upcoming earnings reports and Prime Day results. Also watch the trend of prices on goods made in China and keep an eye on whether AWS continues its 17% growth.